Write My Number is a great game to think about place value names, digits that go in each place, and the number that you create. Players have to change from words to digits and from digits to words. So the rules for this game is that you need one person who records the number, and then you need another person who writes the number in a different way. And you could have 2 or 3 people writing numbers in different ways, either in words or with digits. To play the first game, I want you to write the number and say it. So the first person who's doing the writing writes down a number and they say it. So I might write down and I say it. And partner 2 over here has to write it with digits as well. So I don't show them this. So I'd say, please write 5,462. Again, I'm not showing them this card. They have to listen to my words, and then they have to write the digits themselves over here. So 5,462, and then the person that's listening does their best to write down, okay, I heard 5,462, and then when they're done, you compare your answers and see what you have. And if you're correct, great. If you're not, you can have a conversation about why you think this is the correct way to do it, and they might be able to fix what they've done over here. And then you can switch roles. So then this person can say the number, and this person can try listening to their partner and writing it down themselves. The second way you can play this game is write the number with words and then show your partner. Then they can try and write it correctly with digits. So for example, I might write down okay, I don't say this out loud. I want them to read my words and see if they can write it with digits over here. So I show this one to my partner. So this is different in this game. I have to show them my card this time. They read it, and then we agree if they've got the right digits or not. So hopefully they would write it as 25,411. And then you can talk to each other and see, do you agree that this is the correct number or not? What do you need to change? And then the next person this person over here can write it down with words, show it to the partner, and this person can guess with digits. Okay, so that's 2 ways that you can practice place value names, digits that go in each place, and looking at numbers that you create. Okay, great practice. Good luck. And one more way to push your thinking with this is you can also practice with decimals. So in the similar way, the partner over here could write something like this. Okay, now we might just say that's 5.1, but if you want to say it another way, you can say 5 and 1/10. So you could say to your partner out loud without showing them this card, you say 5 and 1/10, and hopefully over here they will go 5 and 1/10. What does that look like? I think it's 5 in the ones and 1/10 is in the tenth space. You could do it with more challenging numbers if you want. You could say 24 and 75 hundredths. 24 and 75 hundredths. And hopefully over here your partner will go. Then you compare your answers, and that's what you get. And similarly, if you play the second game, you could say and this reads 12 and 5/10. So hopefully over here, when they write it with digits, they will write 12 and 5/10. Okay, good luck.